Hi everyone, Dave from Eibach, and it's time for our weekly recap. I've been working here at Eibach for roughly 18 years now, and I do technical support and sales. Typical calls are people just ask about applications or ride heights on their kits, whether it's a lift or lowering a kit, basic install questions, and that's pretty much it. Just trying to help out customers the best we can. In this recap, we talk about the R&D on the Ford F350 and Nissan Frontier, our Pro Kit for the BMW M4 Competition xDrive, and career opportunities available at Eibach. For R&D, we tested our Stage 1 lift system on the Ford F350 and the Nissan Frontier. The Frontier received front and rear shocks and an upgraded spring design for the two-wheel drive models. The F350 is in for initial R&D. We were able to test fit the previous year's kit, so 4 shocks and 2 front springs were installed. We'll have more details on these kits later on. This week's product feature is our Pro Kit for the 2021 to 23 BMW M4 Competition xDrive. If you're looking to lower your M4, this is the kit for you. By lowering the ride height 0.9 inch up front and 0.5 inch to the rear, the look and driving characteristics of your M4 is improved. Get them now from Eibach.com or your favorite Eibach dealer. If you were at Overland Expo Pacific Northwest, you may have seen the Sequoia on display at our booth. This vehicle was equipped with our Pro Truck Coilover 2.0 and rear sport shocks. We're still developing the kit for the vehicle, so stay tuned for more information. Aside from the Sequoia, we gave away $1,000 of Eibach credit for each day of the show. If you're one of the lucky ones, congratulations. For employment opportunities, we're hiring a HR manager as well as a design engineer. For more information, please visit Eibach.com. That's it for this week's recap. Please give us a like and subscribe for more.